If the equipment is exposed outdoors or in a complex working environment for a long time, it is easy to be contaminated with oil and impurities and damage the spray paint on the surface, resulting in rust and affecting the performance and aesthetics of the equipment. Using laser cleaning can easily remove the spray paint, oil stains, and rust on the surface of the equipment and other impurities. Adjusting the cleaning parameters can change the surface roughness of the equipment and facilitate the secondary processing of the surface.